The Ian Fleming Almanac, 1952, August 13th. Or perhaps it was the 14th.
The previous April, Ian Fleming had ordered a gold-plated typewriter from the Royal Typewriter Company as a reward for completing his first novel, Casino Royale.
Now, in August, he awaits the arrival of friends who are bringing the typewriter to him from New York.
Once the golden typewriter is delivered, Fleming sits down and tests it out by tapping out a priceless message. A heartfelt love note to his wife, who is in the hospital recuperating after the birth of their son.